This is the Blue Yeti Nano in the shadow gray colorway. We're going to unbox it as well as talk about it from a beginner's point of view. So let's begin by taking a look around the box. The Blue Yeti Nano comes in a clean, compact package. As expected, a mini USB to USB cable is provided that connects to the bottom of the microphone. We are also provided with paperwork regarding the warranty, instructions, and an invitation to download Blue Sherpa, which is a program designed to control various microphone functions such as the gain and headphone output level. Getting closer to the main attraction, we also find a stand adapter which allows users to mount the microphone on a studio mount. Finally, we get to the microphone itself. So let's take a look around.
Mackay Beats.
The Blue Yeti Nano can be unscrewed from the original stand by simply unscrewing the screws on either side of the mic. The microphone itself is surprisingly light, especially considering its weight when it came out of the package. Of course, this weight can be attributed to the stand, which is made of metal while the microphone is made of plastic. One downside is that the stand is highly susceptible to scratching. I'm speaking from experience as I've already scratched the side of the stand while recording this video when I accidentally tapped it against my laptop. Nevertheless, the quality feels strong enough to last a long time, as long as it is taken care of. As for the inputs on the mic, the front features a volume control which doubles as a mute button that turns red when clicked. On the back, we have the pattern selection button which toggles between the cardioid and omnidirectional settings. The cardioid function picks up sounds from sources directly in front of the microphone, while the omnidirectional settings picks up sounds equally from all around the mic. Finally, the bottom features three inputs: the USB connection used to connect the mic to the computer on the right, the thread mount in the middle, and the 3.5mm headphone jack on the left. Overall, I've been incredibly impressed with the Blue Yeti Nano. As a beginner, I didn't really have any expectations, apart from it being better than the microphone in my headphones. You can listen to the difference in quality by watching my previous video, which was recorded using a standard microphone on Bose earphones. Thank you for watching this unboxing of the Blue Yeti Nano. I would appreciate if you left any feedback on the video in the comments. I also invite you to follow me on Instagram at HypePickups, which I have linked in the description. Please leave a like or dislike, and I will see you with the next pickup.